Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the brand new Renault Traffic that we've been working on. So this has been carried out on behalf of Renault in Cambridge. So as you can see here, a really nice system. Looks professional, really high quality as well. So this, as well as saving in terms of it's a very lightweight material that they use, comes with the Sortimo 3-year warranty. You've got the Sortimo floor. You can add in extras such as the roof and other racking systems, but as you can see here, comes with toolkits as well, and there's different systems that you can have for extra storage as well, but hidden away, making the vehicle extra safe as well. And you've also got this cool little gadget here, which just sits on top of the racking system, which you can add in your pipe work to as well. So as you can see, the quality is inch perfect, really effective, looks professional, and the van is one of those things that you, as a company, reflects your image. So really proud of this install. For more details on how we can customise your van with a Sortimo racking solution, please do give us a call. Contact number is 01223 56 30 30. Or check out the Sortimo page on our website. Thank you very much.